morning. Whenever I say that, I think of the dog Twitter. I don't know if I've told you guys about that. You should definitely check it out. Just type in Goob, G-O-O-O-O-B, morning, and the Twitter account will definitely come up. So I woke up at 7 this morning because we are going to the gym. So I don't go to the gym every single morning, but basically any morning routine I have for any job that I have, I'm going to be going to the gym in the morning. So I thought I would just show you guys what my routine has been looking like. You've seen it in some of my vlogs, but you know, I haven't done like a full step-by-step, and I personally love watching these. So I woke up about 15 minutes ago. It's now like 7:30, and I only do like very, very, very light makeup to the gym, just because I don't know, skin. I just like to take care of my skin, and I've noticed if I wear too much that I can see a difference. So I just go ahead and put a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes, and then I do my eyebrows and I pop on some mascara. I also like to put something on because when I film, I feel like I just always look 10 times worse without makeup than I do like in real life. So I always like to just put a little bit on so I don't scare my audience. But yeah, so I usually head to the gym at 8. So I give myself about 45 minutes to eat, get ready, relax a little bit. I don't like to feel rushed. This job starts at 11 a.m., which is why this is all starting at this time if you're kind of confused. But you know, no matter what job I was doing, this would still be the routine. It would just be, you know, I'd go to work earlier or whatever it may be. Workout outfit of the day. This is the Get Better Today t-shirt. This is the cropped one. I have it in a small. Definitely size up if you if you plan on buying one. And then I've got the new Lululemon leggings on that you guys will see in an upcoming haul. But ow, they're nice and long, so if you're short they should be good on you too, because for me they're like ankle length, but they just look so good. Gymshark who, no shade, all tea. So I'm actually running a bit behind today. It's already 7:47 and I really should be like eating breakfast right now. And I haven't made a lunch for work. So we're gonna go ahead and make that lunch. I've been having the same thing every day. Oh my god. You guys have seen it. Snacks, so this is where I keep all of them. We're gonna bring this for a post-workout. I would normally make a smoothie, but I don't have time, so I'll probably just buy one. But these are really, really good. I literally got them from the dollar store, and the macros are pretty good as well if you're trying to get in a bucket load of calories in a short period of time. So I'm just gonna bring some originals and some of the off-brand Cool Ranch. Every night I will get clothes together. Sorry, my closet's kind of messy. And I'll just hang them here on my clothing rack. So we've got this jacket from Shein that we're gonna wear. It's Wine Wednesday, so we're gonna wear these burgundy pants from Fashion Nova, just a black bodysuit, and then some Chelsea boots. So I have this bag. This is the clothes I'm gonna change into. I brought a little towel. These are the boots I was talking about. This is my work bag. I really just bring a notebook, usually a water bottle, but I don't have one right now, and then all of like my stuff that would be thrown in a bag goes in my little pochette. And then this is my gym bag. So in here, got all the essentials, got my wallet, Pop-Tart, pre-workout, creatine's in that bag there, And then in here I have knee sleeves, wrist wraps, all of my bands, an extra pair of socks. And then I bring my lunch and my snacks in this little Lululemon bag. I'm running a bit behind today. I really should be arriving to the gym as we speak, but that's totally okay. I can always cut my workout shorter, which is really annoying, but like it's my fault for not waking up earlier. So I'm just going to have some oatmeal just so I have a little bit of something in my system. In the morning, I've actually found I don't have to have as much food in my system, but I just can't squat on an empty stomach. I just feel so weak. So I'm just having some of that with a tiny bit of almond milk, and then the rest I'll usually just do water. I like the taste of almond milk, so it always makes my oatmeal taste a little better. And then I pop that in the microwave for about a minute and a half. And I can scarf that down pretty quickly. So I keep forgetting that it's November and it's gonna be cold when I come outside in the morning. Like it's literally like 8:15, so obviously it's not gonna be warm outside. And every single time I walk outside, I'm like, oh my god, it's so cold. Duh, it's like winter time. In Maryland, it was snowing the other day. I was like, oh, thank God I got out while I could. Today we're gonna squat. And probably just do a couple accessories. I've been cutting back a bit on accessories because I just haven't had time. Like this job is crazy. It's 56 hours a week. Bruh, I don't even know. Don't even ask. And it's sucking the life out of me, so it's definitely not gonna last. So this may be the first and only morning routine you guys see for this job, but I thought I would film it nonetheless because I got a lot of requests for it. But yeah, finding time at the gym has been impossible. This will be the third time that I've gone in the past 3 weeks, and in case you don't know me that well, maybe you're new here, I go to the gym 4 times a week, every week. I do not miss days. You know, it's something that helps me with stress. It's something that I genuinely enjoy. I'm a personal trainer, you know, I live in the gym, and I just have not had any time to go. And if I have had time, I've just been so tired. And I know that if I went, I would just end up like injuring myself because I just haven't been there mentally. Like my brain is just literally foggy. So yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. It's been hard because I can only control so much, you know, like these are the hours, so, you know, you either work them or you don't, and it's just been hard to find time, and it's been super frustrating. So if you're having issues with that, if you've just started a new job, know it's gonna take some time to get into a routine that works for you. And if you miss a couple days, it's not gonna set your progress back years. You know, like, yeah, you're gonna feel weaker when you go into the gym. That's completely normal because your body's not accustomed to what you're doing anymore, but that doesn't mean that you have lost everything that you worked so hard for. I forgot my tripod, so I just recorded what I could on my phone, so that'll be on Instagram too. But these leggings are amazing. I'm obsessed with them. Got a nice little hammy pump. Not too crazy, but now I'm gonna go ahead and quickly shower. So this is what the showers look like. And they give you soap too. Just did my makeup, nothing too crazy. Got my outfit on. I'm not sure about the boots with this, but what's done is done. So we just got into the car. It's 10:19, so I'm good on time because it takes me 20 minutes to get to my office. I do want to say, I don't just sit in my car and vlog. If you guys have noticed, usually when I start my vlog, I'm starting it in my parking garage, or I'm already driving. That's because I don't like to sit in parking lots. But if I am, I'm in a place like this where this is so safe and there's people everywhere and I'm very much out in the open, and my doors are locked, so don't worry about me. But thank you for everyone's concerns. But I'm gonna go ahead and have my Pop-Tart. So I would have usually gotten a smoothie or made a smoothie, but that's okay because this actually has quite a lot of calories in it. But yeah, so I try and get to my office around 10:45 and it takes me like 20 minutes to get there, so it's not too far away.